Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you top 10 best applications for HTC One M9. So these applications will add a lot of new features and make your experience using the One M9 much better. So let's get started. The next application on the list is Yahoo Weather. You probably bought the One M9 because of its design. HTC One M9 is the best design phone money can buy right now. And Yahoo Weather is the best application to go along with this phone. It's the best designed weather application. In the main screen, you'll have the photo representing the current weather with the current weather information. Below, you'll have hourly forecast so you can view the weather based on each hour. Below that, you'll find your daily forecast. You can choose to have 5 days or 10 days. And below that, you'll find extra information about current weather. Informations like humidity, visibility, wind pressure, precipitation, and at last you'll have the sunrise and sunset time. Swiping will allow you to change between locations. You can add a lot of them and navigate using this gesture. This application also has a lot of widgets available. Widgets of various size, various styles, so you just don't need to open this application every time you need to check weather. It will be right there in your home screen. So that's all about this application. The next application on the list is Wunderlist. There are a lot of to-do list applications in the Play Store, and among all of them, Wunderlist has every feature you would need in a to-do list app. It's available in various platforms: PC, Mac, iPhone, Android, Windows, so you can easily sync your data between various devices. If you add a task in PC, it will be shown in every other device you have it installed on in no time. Once you open this application, you can add a list like shopping list, and then you can add item inside it. Or you can choose to add a to-do task. You can choose its category, date, and reminder time. In this application, you also have the ability to share a list with other people, so if you have something to do in a group, it's a great feature to have. And in this application, you also have a widget you can place in your home screen, so you can keep track of what you need to do right from your home screen. So that's all about this app. The next application on the list is Adobe Pixlr Express. It's a photo editor application, and in this app, you'll find lots of powerful tools to edit your photos. You will have fun playing around with some of them. Once you open this application, you will have 3 different options. You can take a photo, choose a photo to edit, or create a collage, which means combining many pictures into one. Once you choose a photo to edit, you are presented with a lot of tools to edit your photo. From the adjustment category, you will find tools to crop your photo or even add color splash effect, in which only similar colored items will be colored and everything else will remain black and white. You can choose which color you want it to be. From focal, you can blur your background and keep some items focused. Then you can increase or decrease the sharpness, contrast, and a lot more. And from the effect, you'll have a lot of filters to choose from. There are 7 different categories, and inside each category there are tons of filters. Then you will have overlay. From here you can add a different kind of effect on the top of the photo, add lightning effect. Then you'll have borders. Again, here you will find lots of categories, and inside each category there are lots of borders for you to apply on your picture. Then you will find type, where you can type something and add it on the photo. You can add text in different styles. And from stickers, you can add clip art to your photo. Again, here are lots of categories, and inside each category there are lots of pictures to add. Once you hit the collage option, you will be asked to choose the photos that you want. Then you can change its layout, background, spacing, and a lot more. So this photo editor application has a lot of tools and effects for you to apply in your photo. There are various ways you can edit your photo with this application. Another great application which is praised for its design is Timely. This application is meant to replace the default clock application, and it's better in every way than the default one. As you can see, the design of this application is amazing and this app is very easy to use. In the main screen, you'll have the time itself, and from below you can change the clock style. And from the side here, you can enable night mode or change the theme. Once you swipe to the left, you'll have the alarm clock. Adding an alarm is very easy, and for each alarm you can set Smart Rise, which will gently wake you up with a slow fading melody so that you are in a good mood once you wake up. And if you own multiple Android devices, the alarms will be synced and you can choose in which devices you want this alarm to ring. And along with this application, you'll also have a clock widget which looks very good. So that's all about this app. The next application is FunFit. This application is made by HTC itself, but it wasn't pre-installed in the M9. So it's a great fitness application which will count number of steps you walked each day. No matter where you keep the device, in your bag, in your pocket, in your hand, this application will count your steps, and it's very accurate. In the main screen, you'll have the info about the calorie burned, distance walked, total walking time and the steps. And tapping each of it will allow you to view graphs of how you walked in each hour of the day. You can also add friends and compete with them, see how many steps they walked each day. The UI of this application is very good, so overall it's a great application to track your movement. The next application here is CC Cleaner. So it's a cleaning application, and once you open this application, you'll have this Analyze button. After pressing it, it will analyze your device and show you the areas from where you can clean space. So it showed me cache occupied by the applications, history, and also suggested me some files that I might not need. So you can just choose what you want to delete and press the clean button. You can just see I can clear a 500 MB of data. So that's all about this application. It's a simple application to free up space used by unwanted files. The next application on the list is Zedge. This application has tons of amazing wallpapers, and all of the wallpapers in this application is optimized for the device this app is installed on. So you will have full HD wallpapers for your HTC One M9. First, you'll have categories. There are a lot of them to choose between. Then at the side, you'll have featured wallpapers chosen by the Zedge team. Then you'll find the most recent ones and the most popular ones. From the menu, you can choose between the live wallpaper. And again here, all of these wallpapers are optimized for this device and you can choose between a lot of them. Then at last, you'll have ringtones. So you can listen to each of the ringtones before downloading. So that's all about this application. There is a lot of content available in this app for you to choose. HTC One M9 lacks a File Explorer, which is a must-have app for any Android device. Solid File Explorer is a great option. In this File Explorer, you can have two panels open at one time, which is very useful while moving files. In landscape mode, you can view both the panels, but in portrait mode, you can swipe between them. You can drag and drop files between the panels, which is a very useful feature. And once you tap on the file icons, a selection bar will appear with some options to copy, cut, and send files. You can also select multiple files here. You'll also have a search option so you can have fast access to files located anywhere in your device. You can browse files from cloud storage like Dropbox, just like you would browse your local files. And in this File Explorer, you can compress any file to reduce its size, which will be helpful while sending that file over the internet. Or you can extract a file. So that's all about this application. It's one of the best File Explorer available in the Play Store, and with this application you can get things done very quickly. The default keyboard in the M9 is great, but comparing it with others from the Play Store, the M9 just can't compete. Minum is a great keyboard which has a different type of layout. The keyboard is shrunken down so that more screen is available for use. It might take a while to get used to this type of typing. You would require to use some gestures while typing, like swiping to the right for space or swiping to the back to delete. Swiping up from a character will allow you to add a punctuation mark or precisely select a letter. You can always go back to the normal mode by swiping up. Another great choice would be SwiftKey, which is the #1 keyboard in the Play Store, and it's #1 because of the useful features it provides. The predictions of this keyboard is very accurate and it can predict the word which you are going to type next. From here you can change the layout of the keyboard. You can choose from 3 different layouts and you can change the size of the keyboard or even undock it and place it anywhere you want in the screen. You can also change the theme of this keyboard, and it also has got a theme store. And from here you can log in with Google so that you can sync your data, your words with other devices. If you don't like the look of the Zen 7 and want to have something new, there are a lot of launchers available in the Play Store. Nova Launcher is one of the oldest and the most reputed launcher. In this launcher you can change a lot of things. You can make it look the way you want your phone to be. From the settings of this launcher you can change the grid size, number of home screens, scrolling effect, label color and a lot more. This launcher also allows widget overlapping, so whenever you add a widget in the home screen, there are few gaps that's unusable, but with this feature you can use that gap and add another widget on it. From here you can change the icon pack, icon size, font, scrolling speed and a lot more. After spending time in this launcher, you can change the look of this launcher completely. If you don't like to spend time and want everything pre-organized for you, Themer is the launcher you should try. In this launcher there are lots of themes available, and to apply a theme you just need to tap few times and it will be applied in the home screen for you. If you want to tweak something about this launcher, like changing icon pack, removing a widget and adding your own, it's possible. So that's all about this video. Hope you guys found some applications for yourselves. And if you know of any other application that you think I should include, do let me know in the comment section below. And do follow me on social medias, the links are in the description box below, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day.